Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to today class. And today I will teach chapter number 11. Chapter name is
Transportation in
Animals and Plants. Okay, that's clear?
Yes, sir.
Transportation in animals and plants. Okay, so student, in yesterday classes we have already about discussed blood. Okay, already about discussed blood. And today classes we will discuss blood vessels. Okay, today classes we will discuss blood vessels. That clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So student, okay, what find out about blood vessels? Anyone? Yes.
Sir, what is blood vessels?
That is good question. Okay, sit down. Okay, so students, blood vessels. Blood vessels are kinds of tubes. Through is the blood flows. Okay, so student, blood vessels. Blood vessels is are kinds of tubes. Okay, so there are three types or kinds of blood vessels. Okay, you can see in the picture. Okay, you can see in the picture. Okay, this is picture of blood vessels. Okay, and in this blood vessels, okay, you can see in this is capillaries network. Okay, and this is capillaries. Okay, in this capillaries, inner part is a capillary network. That's clear? Okay. And this portion is student. This portion is artery. Okay. This portion is artery. Okay. And this artery flowing oxygenated blood. Okay. This artery flowing oxygenated blood. Okay, student. And this portion is called vein. This portion is called veins. Okay. And this veins flowing deoxygenated blood. This portion flowing deoxygenated blood. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, student, there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. That clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, you can see in the picture, this is artery, this is vein, and this is capillaries. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so student, what about arteries? Okay, arteries are the blood vessels, okay, that carry blood from the heart to various part of the body. Okay, arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to various part of the body. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, so next is a veins. Next is a veins. Okay, veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood from all the parts of the body back to heart. Okay, so student, you can see in this picture. Okay, this is body cell. Okay, and this body cell to capillaries. Body cell to capillaries flow carbon dioxide. Okay, and capillaries to body cell flow food and oxygen. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So student, next one is third parts of blood vessels. Okay,
Yes,
capillaries. Okay. So what about capillaries? Capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels. Okay, which connect arteries to vein. Okay, so you can see in the picture. In this picture, you can see this is capillaries. Okay, this part is a capillary and this is a capillary network. Okay, so student, what about capillaries? Capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels. Okay, which connect arteries to vein. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is artery and this is vein. So capillaries connect artery to vein. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
So student, arteries all the arteries carry oxygen rich blood. All arteries carry oxygen rich blood. Okay, and the arteries have thick and muscular walls. Okay, thick and muscular walls become the blood flow is rapid and at high pressure. Okay, that's clear. Okay, and student, veins are the blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the body back to heart. Okay, so all veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, so vein flowing carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, the veins have thin and less elastic muscular walls because the blood flow is not rapid and at low pressure. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after the student, capillaries. Okay, so capillaries through, yes, capillary has extremely thin blood vessels which connect arteries to vein. Okay, and through the thin walls of the capillaries, okay, exchange of materials takes place. Okay, the useful substances like food, oxygen, okay, present in the blood pass to the body cells. Okay, pass to the body cells. Foods and carbon dioxide, okay, pass to the body cells. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so student, I hope understood today class all contents regarding today class content, and you can feel free to ask me. Okay, have a nice day. Good day.